So we're currently using a correction source called WAS, but if at any point you want to check the status of that or change it, you come here in the settings and you've got these different options here that you can switch to. In this case, OmniStar is a higher accuracy. So in this case, we just select this one. It says, do you want to? You say okay. One thing to check is if it's an option, you need to see an OmniStar ID number here, because that means that there's a chip up in that dome. And if there's not one there, that number won't show up. It's like an ID number for that chip. And that's the number that they use to do an activation for that subscription. In this case, we also want to change this area to our North America West, and it automatically changes that frequency. This is where you'd see the expiration of whatever subscription, and when that subscription gets activated, you have to make sure that this machine is on and waiting for that signal, because it activates over the air. So we've got allow GLONASS fallback, and that's good. We'd hit OK, and then this would start looking for satellites and start getting a signal. But because that's not a valid signal, it won't actually find it. But we switch back to WAS here, and it starts looking for that WAS signal. WAS doesn't take very long. These OmniStar signals can take anywhere from 5 to 15 minutes to get converged, which is the working at finding those satellites and getting an accurate position, but WAS does not take very long. So that's how you kind of change that or check it. And you can check just the status part from the home screen here. You can look at the number of satellites, how many does it see versus how many it's using, and which correction source are you using, do you have a fallback allowed, and is it good to go.